The day has arrived. Ba, ba, da, ba, 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 ba. The new illustrated Harry Potter has arrived. So let's get it out and show you. Came with this lovely tote bag. Don't know if you can see it. The headquarters of the Order of the Phoenix may be found at number 12, Grunwald Place, London. Wow. Sirius is my favourite Harry Potter character as well. So that's cool. It's quite big too, eh? Look at it. I pre-ordered this, I think, 2 months ago from Waterstones. She's a chunky monkey. Chunky monkey. I'm not going to show you it all, but wow. That's my toddler ripping the packaging. Brody, what are you doing? Anyway, sorry. I love Jing K's colour choices and everything. Neil Packer. I wonder if it's a dual thing because it's such a big project. Like the next book's going to be even bigger, isn't it? I wonder if that'll be split into 2. Anyway. Wow. I'm going to turn the camera the other way. Might be better for this book. I did pay £40. I think it was like 22 or something. Love it. Love it. Look. Curlers and smoking a fag. Class. Oh. I've been rereading the old ones as well, so I can catch up on it. Wow, just look at it. Oh, amazing, amazing. Oh, that's nice for the NHS. I'm not NHS, I was a carer, but we appreciate carers as well. Wow. Look, the hydrangeas. I love it. Oh. There's not many pictures in here. Hang on, pause a minute. I just had a quick flick through off camera, so I did notice some of the pages. If you've read the other books, you might notice the pages that were written on were quite detailed, but some of them are quite bland this time around. Like, look, nothing. They've made it look like parchment at the back, but it's not as detailed as it used to. See, look, but unexciting. Still excited to read it, but it's just a circle. What's going on? Look at that. I mean, come on. Them colours are amazing. Wow. Expecto Patronum! I'm guessing that's what that was. Look how cute that owl is with the table detail. I wonder if that's Errol. I wonder if that's Nymph and Dora. I said I was going to show you all the pictures, but looks like I am. When boxes are more interesting than the actual present. Look at that detail. So good. Spider. Right, I'm not going to show you them all because I'll be here forever. I'll just find a few of my favourites and show them. See, these are the page details I was on about, but it took till 232 to find them. Got near the middle, well, past, well, where I am now basically. There's quite a lot of dense white pages, just to warn you. Get hands off. Oh, love it. I mean, imagine not reading Harry Potter and then you can go back and have this experience of reading it with this fantastic art. Amazing. I won't show you the end because ends are always special, aren't they? But look at that. You got the end papers. Oh. Oh, I was hoping that might have said why they were working together, but it doesn't. Never mind. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I'm going to enjoy reading it. Bye!